Zeno Machine Factory Manual Series. Manual Lathe Machine C6266. Larger spindle bearings, providing stronger support. Left and right-hand wheels you could choose. The sliding carriage is equipped with a collision stop device. The integrated machining base, better rigidity. The lengths are 1.5 meters, 2 meters, 3 meters, and 4 meters. Uniquely designed, this machine truly stands out. Tool holder protection with power-off function. The travel of the carriage is even larger. The tailstop quill sleeve is larger, which is 19 millimeters. Fast and safe shipping makes you more at ease. C6266 will be your good helper. Professionalism you need, precisely us. Jiangsu Zeno Machine Factory.